this is just a quick video because I can't find anything on the internet. I have a 2024 Raptor 110. Obviously not the one here. Mine's in the shop right now, but I had an issue with the Raptor starting. It wouldn't start. Starter solenoid would click. Battery was good. It was brand new. Honestly, I had probably less than 10 hours on it that my kids have been riding it. It died one day and wouldn't restart. First thing I did was, of course, go look at the relay. So the parts diagram, number 16, starter relay assembly, $52. I bought a new one of those, threw it in the machine, didn't do anything, still wouldn't work. Took it to the shop to have them check it out. Of course, it's not under warranty anymore, so they had to diag it, and $200 diag fee later, they found that the starter was bad. So if you have an issue with your Raptor 110, the EFI model, you should check out, before you do anything, go see if you can get a starter or test the starter at least, because apparently that's what caused the issue. And my dealer's telling me that it's going to be a couple weeks. Here on Partzilla, you see it's 20 to 25 days to get a new starter. Apparently these starters are going bad in a lot of Raptors 110s, and apparently Canam as well, because apparently they bought the same motor. So the 110 Canam's same situation. So check the starter if you have an issue with no starts. It's just clicking. I haven't found anything on the internet anywhere talking about this, so just want to pass along. You can check the relay first, $50, but I would seriously check the starter, $200 starter. I'm sure you can find aftermarket, but just something to keep in mind. Want to post this so people know. Haven't seen anything on the forums or videos or anything, so wanted to post this. I don't have the teal one. Kids have the blue one. So anyways, good luck.